Do you even know what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm a man, aren't I?
That's debatable.
Do you guys even know how to cook meat?
Learn how to beat my meat.
Yeah, that's manship 101, son.
But do you know the levels you need to cook your meat at?
Well, there's medium, large, extra large.
No. It's rare, endangered, and extinct.
Then what about Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous?
Are we talking periods, epochs, or ages?
Don't even get me started on the Mesozoic.
Right? People always mess that up. I blame Michael Crichton. A T-Rex in the Jurassic period? Yeah, right.
This is the stupidest smart conversation I've ever had.
You brought it up.
Yeah.
Just shut up. Just shut up.
Alrighty folks, that concludes our 3-hour marathon of non-stop jazz. Now it's time for our daily giveaway. The 7th caller will win tickets to the Broadway musical Love is in the Air. Looks like nobody's calling so far. What? We have a caller? Yeah, caller, what is your name?
Hey, my name's Bryan. Am I the 7th caller?
Oddly enough, yes.
Awesome. How many tickets did I win?
You won 4 tickets.
Perfect. I have just the right people to ask.
Oh, God, no.
Guys, guess what?
That was marvelous.
Love is in the air.
No, you guys, that was smog.
I've never been so touched, emotionally, by dance.
Right? Like when that little Chinese girl started singing, my heart just melted.
I think she was Korean.
Whatever, same difference. But Jacqi, what was your favorite part?
No, I have her locked in the bathroom.
Is that why I have so many missed calls?
Why do you have her locked in the bathroom?
She knows what she did.
Then what was your favorite part?
Probably when I took that huge shit during recess.
It's called intermission.
Well, what did I say?
Did you not like it?
It was difficult to like because all I wanted to do was padlock the doors and just burn the place to the ground.
Poor, sad little man.
I'm an inch taller than you.
Such darkness in your heart where there used to be light.
Don't listen to him. I know he liked it. He's lying.
When have I ever lied to you guys? Do you guys hear that?
See, this is what I'm saying. Time and time again he tries to pull a fast one on us, but I'm quicker this time, fool. Please stop, you're just embarrassing yourself. Don't clench so tight, it just might be bad for your health. I can see right through your lies, your walls are falling down. Just stand back and hold on tight, we just might leave the ground. Act as grumpy as you'd like, you may even throw a fit. Liking this stuff is okay, don't be a little bitch.
Seriously, do you guys not hear this music? And you have yet to tell me when I've ever lied to you.
What about the time you said you started your own religion?
Jackology would have caught on if the goddamn feds didn't get involved.
You told us you were related to Wayne Brady.
I said a Wayne Brady, not the black one.
You said you registered Jacqi as a sex offender.
But in like 3 states, so technically that wasn't even a lie.
What about when you told us you punched a shark?
Bernardo had that shit coming.
What about the time you told Dave if he drank smart water, he'd actually get smarter?
I mean, he got hydrated, right?
I almost drowned.
Yeah, you did.
Stop. You know you liked it. Your hips don't lie.
It had everything you like, can't you see? There was violence and sexy times all while singing. There may have been some racist undertones, but I know you liked it, can't you feel it in your bones? Just a different form of stories that are sung instead of told, the kind that make you wanna move around and lose control. Act as grumpy as you like, you may even throw a fit. Liking this stuff is okay, don't be a little bitch.
Is he okay?
You know, I think he's struggling with his sexuality.
It's true. I did have a great time. I lied a bit, don't throw a fit, don't hate me for my crime. The singing was amazing, but now I must confess, this was not my first rodeo, I have seen all the best. From Les Mis to Sound of Music, I love West Side Story. Have a thing for Sweeney Todd, mostly cause it's gory.
I knew you were lying the whole time. Wasn't that show so sublime?
I know I lied, but it's my pride, I had to put it all aside. But please don't try, don't skin my hide, don't make me swallow cyanide. Won't break my stride, just be my guide, so now I feel I may confide. I may have cried, emotions pride, we're on a musical joyride.
It doesn't all have to rhyme.